Good morning, children. We were reading our solar system. In my previous class, I have given you the answers of A, B, C part, and today it's time to write the answers of D part. So just see which questions are in D part. And the very first question is, name the hottest planet in our solar system. Is it closest to the sun? Children, you all know there are all total 8 planets in our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So, the closest planet is, which planet is closest? Mercury. But the hottest planet in our solar system is Venus. So, what will be the answer of this question? The hottest planet in our solar system is Venus. It is not closest to the sun because we all know closest planet is Mercury. Then second question you just see. Second question is, how much time does the earth take to revolve once around the sun? We all know the movement of earth around the sun is known as revolution, and earth completes one revolution in 365 days and 6 hours. So what will be the two first answer of D part? Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to revolve once around the sun. Then second is to complete one rotation about its own axis. So how much time is taken by Earth to complete one rotation about its own axis? Children, you all must be knowing about the movement of earth on its own axis is called rotation, and earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. So what will be the answer of this part? 2D parts, second question, second part. Earth completes one rotation in 24 hours about its own axis. Then state the third question is of D part. State the nature of the shape of orbit of planets. Now you all know, children, that our earth and all the planets, they revolve around the sun on a fixed path, and that path is called orbit. But this orbit is not exactly circular in shape, but it is elliptical in shape. Elliptical shape means, ellipsis means a stretchable, like oval shape like egg. It is not exactly the circular shape. So what you will write the answer of this part? You will write Earth complete, the nature of the shape of orbit of planets is elliptical, that is oval. Now next question is, write the meaning of the term artificial satellites. Children, we all know there are two types of satellite. Man-made satellite, that is known as artificial satellites, and natural satellites. Natural satellite means like moon. Moon is Earth's natural satellite. And man-made satellites are made by the human beings. They revolve around the earth and they perform various types of tasks. Which task they perform? They perform like satellite signals, communications. These all are due to this only, the function of artificial satellite. You all just see where is the answer, what is the meaning of artificial satellite here. What you will write in this answer? Artificial satellites are man-made objects which can be made to revolve around the earth. They are, however, much closer to the earth than the moon. And artificial satellites perform various tasks. As I have told you, these artificial satellites are made to perform various tasks. They are used in which type of task? They are used in communication, for transmitting radio, telephone and television signals. Then they are also used for weather forecasting and remote sensing. Artificial satellites are also being used to collect information about the other planets and the stars. And in which year India launched its first artificial satellite? In the year 1975. And what was the name of that first artificial satellite? Aryabhatta. And till date, India has launched how many satellites? 74 satellites. First satellite was launched in 1975, and after that till date 74 satellites have been launched. And the other famous artificial satellites are Rohini, Apple, INSAT, USAT, Cartosat, IMS-1, Chandrayaan-1, GSAT-4, Jugnu and Saral. Now, the fifth question. No, in D part only 4 answers are here. So, we will see value based questions also. Value based questions are here to inculcate some values in it. So, these questions are not necessary to write in your notebook, but what you can do, children, you can inculcate, you can learn some moral values after knowing about it. And here you see value based question. First one, a story is given. The story is, the students of class 5, you are also in 5. Here also the story is given of standard 5 only. The students of class 5 of the local DAV school were invited by the boss of a new industrial unit. Means one new industrial area was there, factory was there, unit was there, and the students of class 5 were invited by the head of that industrial unit. The students and teachers of the school felt very happy when they visited this new industrial unit. Means the students also visited along with their teachers, and they all were very happy when they visited this new industrial unit. The boss and staff of the unit greeted them warmly and took them around their unit. Means the boss and staff of that industrial unit welcomed them and took them inside the unit. They told their visitors that their unit was very eco-friendly. Eco-friendly word you must be knowing, children. Environmental friendly. So, the boss and the staff of that industrial unit told the visitors, who were the visitors? Standard 5 children and teachers. They told that their unit was very eco-friendly and was using solar panels. Solar energy, you have read in this lesson, the energy which we receive from sun. And solar panels are being established or are being set up to use this solar energy. And here the boss and staff of that industrial unit told their visitors that their unit was very eco-friendly and was using solar panels. Solar panels means assembly of solar cells to meet most of their energy requirements. In any powerhouses, in any factory, energy is needed. And here in this industrial unit, energy was obtained from sun. That energy was solar energy, and for that solar panels were set up. Now, here the first question is, state the values displayed by the boss and staff of the industrial unit. You have to tell children that these questions you will not write in your notebook. Only this is to inculcate moral values in you. Now, the values displayed by the boss and staff of the industrial unit you have to tell. First value, here you see they welcomed, they warmly greeted them warmly and took them around their unit. Means we should welcome our guest. Then we should be eco-friendly. We should not do any such type of work which damages the environment. We should always be eco-friendly. And how was using solar panels? So how we can be eco-friendly? By using renewable sources of energy. Non-renewable sources of energy means with the energy, sources of energy which cannot be renewed back. But renewable sources of energy means the source of energy which can be renewed. And they are available in plenty. Like solar energy, sun will, every day sun will rise and we can get solar energy. So it is renewable sources of energy, and here you have to write the values displayed by the boss and staff of the industrial unit. So which values? We should be eco-friendly. We should use renewable source of energy like solar energy. Next is, do you think that it is advisable to use solar panels whenever and wherever possible? Now here in this story we have seen solar panels were established. Now children, you have to tell, is it advisable? Means advices can be given to use solar panels whenever and wherever it is possible? Yes, you can write that yes, I think that it is advisable to use solar panels whenever and wherever possible, because solar energy is renewable sources of energy. It is available in plenty and we can get it every day. So instead of non-renewable sources of energy, we should pay attention on renewable sources of energy, and one of the renewable sources of energy is solar energy that we receive from where? That we receive from sun. So it is advisable to use solar panels whenever and wherever it is possible. So children, these are the answers of D part ABC in our last class we have done. In this class, your today's homework is you have to write D part question answers in your science notebook, and wherever you feel comfortable, either in the school campus or on our WhatsApp group, you can submit it. I will give you PDF also of these answers. Which answers? D part. Name the hottest planet in our solar system. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Is it closest to the sun? No, it is not closest to the sun. Then, how much time does the earth take to revolve once around the sun? Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution around the sun. Then second is, how much time does the earth take to complete one rotation about its own axis? Earth completes one rotation about its own axis in 24 hours. So this answer will be that only, 24 hours. Then third is, state the nature of the shape of orbit of planets. The nature of the shape of orbit of planets is elliptical. It is not exactly circular, but it is elliptical. Now next is, write the meaning of the term artificial satellites. Artificial satellites are man-made objects which are made to perform various tasks, and they are made to revolve around the sun. So I hope all the answers are clear to you. You all write it in your science notebook and submit it. I will give you PDF also of this. So goodbye and thank you.